The Hobart 5.578 Multi-Handler 200 is a versatile welding machine designed to handle multiple processes, including MIG, DC TIG, and stick welding, making it a great choice for various projects. With a robust output of 200 amps, this welder can efficiently tackle materials up to 3/8 of an inch for MIG and stick welding and up to 3/16 of an inch for TIG welding. Its user-friendly design features a color LCD display and quick select drive roll, streamlining the setup and changeover process for a seamless welding experience. The machine includes run-in technology, which ensures smooth arc starts by automatically reducing the wire feed speed before arc initiation to minimize spatter. A major advantage of the Multi-Handler 200 is its dual voltage capability, allowing it to operate on both 120 and 240 volt power inputs without additional tools. The package comes complete with a MIG gun, TIG torch, electrode holder, and work clamp, providing all the essentials needed to start welding right out of the box.